Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Maths Guide. And today we are diving into the world of algebraic expressions, those powerful little combinations of numbers, letters and symbols that form the foundation of algebra. In my previous video, we learned about algebraic expressions and its parts like constants, variable, coefficients and like and unlike terms in algebraic expressions. Now in this video, we will solve some exercises for better understanding of the concept. By the end of this video, you will be able to read, write and recognize expressions like a pro. The key points which we will discuss in this video are writing algebraic expressions, identifying constants and variables, writing algebraic terms, finding coefficients, and separating like and unlike terms. This is exercise 6.2, question number 1. Write the following sentences symbolically using equality sign, greater than sign or less than sign. And the first part is the sum of numbers n and 6 is 20. Here is means the answer or the result of the operation being used. The two numbers are n and 6 and we have to find out their sum. We can write it like this: n plus 6 is 20 or equal to 20. Now this is the algebraic expression. If we use the equality sign in it, it becomes algebraic equation. The second part is the difference of number n and 27 is 5. Now we have to find out the difference of two numbers. First number is n and the second number is 27 and the result is 5. So we can write it like this: n minus 27 is 5 or 27 minus n is 5. Third part is 4 times a number n is less than 7. First of all, we will write 4 times a number. Times mean multiplication. So it will become 4n is less than 7. So here we will use the symbol of less than. And we can write it like this: 4 times a number n is less than 7. Next is 2 times a number n is more than 25. Here more mean the greater sign symbol. So here we will say that 2n is greater than 25. This is exercise 6.1, question number 4. Identify the constants and variables. In my previous video, I have explained in detail what are different parts of algebraic expressions like constants, variables, coefficients, and terms in algebraic expressions. Those who haven't watched it yet, go and check it out. And our question is, we have to identify the constants and variable in the given algebraic expressions. First is n plus 9 is equals to 0. It is an algebraic equation because there is equality sign within them. Now, as you know, the constants are the number which have fixed value. So here 0 and 9 both are constants and n is an alphabet and it's a variable. Its value is always unknown. Next is 7p plus 2 is 9. Here there are three constants: 7, 2 and 9. 7 can also be a constant or can also be a coefficient. So a variable is p because there is only one alphabet in this expression. Next, 1 by 3 xy, it has only one term. So constant is 1 by 3 and there are two variables x and y. Next, m plus n plus 8. Constant is 8 and m and n both are variables. This is exercise 6.3, question number 1, writing algebraic expressions. First statement is the sum of 3a and 8. Here again we have to find out the sum. So writing the algebraic expression means we have to use the addition symbol. So we can write it like this: 3a plus 8. Next, difference of 5p and 5. Difference means subtraction. So we can write it as 5p minus 5 or 5 minus 5p. Divide 5a by 8p. So our answer will be, we have to divide 5a by 8p. We can write it in the form of fraction. Product of number n and 4 times a variable y. We have to find out the product of two numbers. First number is n and the second number is 4 times of variable y. So we can write it like this: n into 4 times of variable y or 4yn. Next, cost of n liter of cooking oil at the rate of 170 per liter. We have n liters of cooking oil and the rate of each liter is 170. So we can write it as 170 into n or 170 n rupees. This is exercise 6.3 question number 3 and now the question is write down algebraic terms. We have been given some algebraic expressions and we have to find out the number of terms present in them. The first expression is n plus 3. Remember one thing, the terms are always separated by addition or subtraction symbol, not by multiplication and division. If there is multiplication or division symbol, it will be considered as one term. Now let's see. First expression is n plus 5 and they are separated by addition symbol, so it has two terms. In second expression, again we have two terms. Now in third expression we have multiplication symbol, so it will be considered as one term. Now again in fourth part, 4xy plus 6y minus 5. There are three terms. First term is 4xy, second term is 6y and the third term is 5. And in last part we have ab plus 2. It has two terms. Now exercise 6.3 question number 4, write down the coefficients. As you all know that coefficients are the multiplying factor of any variable. For example, in first expression 4 is the multiplying factor of variable a, so 4 is coefficient, and 3 is the multiplying factor of variable b, 3 is also coefficient. So in first expression we have two coefficients, 4 and 3. In second part we have only one term. In this term 23 is coefficient and a and b are variables. In third part 2 by 5 is coefficient. In fourth part we have 1 as a coefficient because 1 is not written in algebra with any variable, but it is always present with the variable. So here in fourth part the coefficient is 1, whereas 85 is constant. Now we have 15, 81. Both are coefficients and 9 is constant. This is exercise 6.3 question number 5, separate constant variables and coefficient. Now at this stage you must be able to separate the parts from the algebraic expressions like a pro. Now let's see if you can do it. You can make a table like this to separate the constant variables and coefficients from algebraic expressions. The first expression is 3a plus 1. 8 is coefficient, a is variable and 1 is constant. In next expression 3a plus 2b minus 4, 3 and 2 are coefficients, a and b are variables and minus 4 is the constant. In third expression we have only one term. So there is no constant, p and q are variable and 1 which is always present with the variable but is not written in algebra, so 1 is coefficient. Ax plus by plus c, here the coefficients are also alphabetical letters. A and b are coefficients, x and y are variables and c is constant. And in the last expression 3a plus 4b plus 5, 3 and 4 are coefficients, a and b are variables and 5 is constant. Now exercise 6.3 question number 6. Now we have to separate like terms from the given terms. As you can see, I have highlighted yellow color with all the terms which have a as a common variable. So they are all like terms like 3a, 5a, 9a and 76a are all like terms. But there are some other like terms also like 21m and 4m and 8p and 3p. Again 17bc and 9cb, they are also like terms. Now this was all about reading and writing algebraic expressions and recognizing in different parts. Now the next topic will be about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, which is very important topic. So stay tuned to Maths Guide and don't forget to like, follow and share.